How to remove threads notification from feed. So in order to remove threads notification from your feed, you need to customize your notification settings within the Threads app. For that, you want to open up settings on your device. Next, you want to go to the app section, then locate see all, and here you just want to go to the threads section from the list. Once you open up threads, what next you want to do is here you then need to go to notifications and toggle the button off. This is how you're going to remove threads notification from the feed. And likewise, if this shows to persist on, then what you need is just swipe up and select the notification, and when you tap open that notification, it's going to directly take you to the threads section. This might help you out remove the threads notification as well. If not, you might want to go to the app login, then you will just want to go ahead and select the profile initials. Go to the menu bar from the top right, locate notification from this section, and you could just go ahead and select pause all and toggle the button. This is how you're going to remove threads notification from the feed. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.